Hi my dear friends, today I am come up with the best numbers for the Mahzooz next draw. Friends, these are the recent 4 draws, previous draws of Mahzooz, in which the numbers is not came from two series. You can see no number came from 20 to 29 in first draw, then second draw, no number, in third draw, no number, and it is our previous result. You can see no number from 2029. Now it has great chances to come two numbers from 20 to 29 in our upcoming draw, which is drawing on 12th November 2022. You should select minimum two numbers from these series. My final number, friends, from 1 to 49. From 1 to 9, I have three numbers 5, 6, and 9. From 10 to 19, I have three numbers 11, 12, and 16. From 20 to 29, I have four numbers 21, 24, 26, and 27. From 30 to 39, I have three numbers 31, 36, and 37. In last, from 40 to 49, I have also three numbers 44, 46, and last one is 47. Friends, these are my 16 powerful numbers, in which these are the golden numbers, three numbers, golden numbers 26, 9, and 36. Why these three are golden numbers? If you want to know, you should see my previous video about it. I am giving that video in I button. You should watch. In this draw, you should select three odd numbers and two even numbers. You should select your maximum numbers between 16 to 37. 3 or 4 number should come from 16 to 37. Okay friends, this serial is important for this draw. You should select minimum two numbers from this series according to my research. My powerful numbers between these series are 21, 24, 26, and 27. If you like from it, you can choose. If you like another number from this series, you can choose. In the end, good luck to all and goodbye.